So hello guys, it has come to our notice that a lot of people do not know how to use our signals and it's causing them a lot of losses. So we are here to help you guys out. So let's go to my trading view. So these are the number of trades that I have taken today. Had it been today wasn't the first, because today I decided to take today off, but we go again tomorrow. So like let's use this last trade for an example. Let's use this trade for an example here. So now let's say I told you guys to like hop on a buy here to buy bitcoins immediately. So let's say our entry was this point here, 93,640, and you're entering on this price, you're buying now. But because we are using different brokers, we may not be giving the same price. So if I tell you to enter with your SL at 93,497.61, you're going to enter at the wrong price, and it's going to cause a lot of issues for both of us. So what you're going to do is, anytime I tell you to hop on a buy and I tell you to keep your stop loss, look at the chart I'm sending to you. Look at where my stop loss is. You can see my stop loss is below this last candle here. So what you can do is to carry your stop loss and keep below this candle. Ignore the price that I'm sending as my SL price, unless you're using interactive, or unless you're using IC market as your broker. If you're using IC market as your broker, then you can use the stop loss price I send there. But if you're using XNES or any other broker, please do not use this stop loss. Do not use the stop loss I send. Instead, look at where I kept my stop loss. If it's below any candle or if it's above any candle, and keep it there too, using your broker's chart and your broker's price. So that is the first thing. So when you're entering this position, and let's say you want to reach $10 here, and in order for you to reach $10, you're going to open 0.1 lot size, you're going to open 0.2 lot size. So you're entering this position, please do not open 0.1 two times, open only 0.2. Then let's say price has reached our take profit 1 and you want to close partials. So now let's go to our MT5. So this is a demo account. This is a random trade. As you can see, the demo account. I just took a random trade for this illustration. So let's say you go to our chart now. So, and I tell you guys, take partials. What you're going to, and you know, half of 0.25 is 0.1 something, but let's say it's 0.1. So if you want to close and take partials, what you're going to do is you swipe. The same instruction goes for iPhone or goes for iOS and goes for Android. You click on this button, and in this place for you to modify your position, you click here and you type in 0.1 and press close. So initially now you've closed half of that position, you've taken partials off that position. You get me? So that's how to take partials, and that's how to use my signals. Remember, taking partials does not mean that you are going to open another position and close the initial position. No, it does not mean you open one position two times. Please, no. This, what I explained to you, is what taking partials means. And enough for you to know your stop loss price. Okay, now let's use this chart as an example. You can see that this recent low here, the price for this recent low on this broker is 94,526. But on trading view, you can see here is 94,544. But on MT5 is 94,526. You can see a big difference. So once you're putting your stop loss, please look at where I am keeping my stop loss on my chart, and keep your stop loss there too. Enough for us to help us, enough for you to help us help you. So that's how to use my signals, and I hope you guys have learned a lot from this. And if you have any question, please feel free to DM or to ask on the group, and I'm going to address the question immediately. Remember, once again, happy new year, wishing you guys best of 2025 and best of life. Peace out.